Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about Shea Decadence London Beard and Bonce Balm, available from sheadecadencelondon.co.uk, and Shea spelled S-H-E-A. They are an organic skin and body care brand, and they've ventured into the beard market. And here it is. Now, it's an all-natural product. It doesn't have a size, it has a weight. It says it's 650, so take it that's grams. But to me that looks to be around about between 30 and 50 mil. I will get the info, I should have got that earlier, shouldn't I, and get it put on the website. It will cost you £12.99, and the one I have here is a spiced orange scent. It is made up from safflower oil, beeswax, organic shea butter, and mango butter, castor oil, avocado oil, jojoba wax, and vitamin E. And it's a little bit different from your normal beard balms that you get out there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit more pale, and it feels a little bit more greasy. Now, that is not a negative. You take a small amount and work it into the beard, and it leaves my beard feeling, or left my beard feeling, very soft. It gives it a light hold. I've got it in today, and it feels like that all day long. It really is a very nice product indeed. Now, as I said, it is a spiced orange scent, and it is there. It is very subtle, but you smell through that the base ingredients of the product. So, you know, a very nice product. You know, I would say give it a try. If you're looking for different products, this might be one too. He's got it upside down. To go and check them out. sheadecadencelondon.co.uk. I'm going to give it, he's going to give it a 90 out of 100. Shea Decadence London Beard and Bonce Balm, and I did use it on my bonce. I know a lot of you bald and bearded guys out there do use the products over your head as well, and it's, why not? Once you've got it on your hand, don't waste it. Give the old head a bit of a polish and a bit of love with it as well. And that is that. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.